My lord, I think
strikes not another form of interference.
So ये सारी बातें ख्याल में रखें. I think I absolutely endorse the Honorable Chief Justice, but speaking for myself, you see, that's, if it is not happening, it's our internal weakness that can be dealt with. But if the state becomes the aggressor against a judge, that is what all the high courts are highlighting. And that is a serious matter. The High Court of Lahore is endorsing what the Islamabad High Court has said. It is a continuing, and we all know that it is happening, and it has happened. And the judges, they fear reporting because, my learned Attorney General, since the last hearing, what has happened to a judge of the Islamabad High Court, his personal data, which cannot be accessed by a private person, was put on the social media.
Yes.
That is an intimidation. That is what affects a judge, and all those matters, mind you. My lord is on the bench, 2.5 hours of Judicial Commission's meeting. Each one of them was discussed. Even his green card was mentioned, and he was opposed by the judges from within and from outside because he was independent. Now, it is about independent judges. The internal problems, it is for us to sort out. It is the external, the state is to protect the judges and independence of judiciary. When it becomes the aggressor, which each high court is saying, that is what is the issue. And it is happening. It is a phenomena that has happened for the last 76 years. And this is what each high court is endorsing. It is happening today.
My lord, if I may,
Attorney General,
just a brief response.
Mr. Attorney General, just a second. I mean, let me just share how I look at this entire matter. You see, it is not about the whole case is about independence of judiciary, be it within the judiciary or be it without judiciary. I think we cannot say that without we give preference to this or the other. There cannot be any interference in the judiciary. We take off, the internal matters could be sorted out internally, as rightly said, but now we have this opportunity today in this case to settle the score and fix the matter for all times to come. I'm not too concerned about one particular incident. We're talking about a generic system, a code to be put in place today that this should not happen. This should not happen from outside. This should not happen from inside. This is a golden opportunity that we have today to lay down a code that this firewall has to be built, that no more of this. So we can start off with the external pressures, we can come down to internal pressures, but we have to deal with it. These high courts have actually reached out to us to say this. These high courts have all these powers to do it themselves, but they haven't done it so far. The matter has landed on our table now today. अगर करना होता तो वो कर लेते, पिछले कितने सालों से वो कर लेते, सारी पावर्स कंटेम्प्ट की भी उनकी हैं, कर लेते. The question is, they haven't done it. The case has landed here as apex court. Could we just brush aside this thing and say, no, High Court, aap jab kar lo, jaake karo, hame kya pata kya karna hai, tum khud kar lo. We should empower the high courts. We are, by interfering in this matter, actually empowering the high courts, empowering the district judiciary, empowering the entire judiciary, and I don't think it's interference in any matter. It is actually empowering my courts in the country. So, as I see it, we need to sit down and lay down a code which is a clear firewall against all sorts of excesses. I'm not concerned about person A, B, C. My case is very clear. I just want to look at the system. The system has to be put in place that this cannot happen, and there has to be a mode and mechanism, which the high courts have very ably come up with a process that if something happens to a civil judge, what's the process? If something happens to the high court judge, what happens? High court is being empowered to take action. If high court doesn't do it, what does the Supreme Judicial Council do? Unless and until Supreme Judicial Council and all these forums, a mechanism is put in place, we're back to square one. So if this is an opportunity, we have 3 cases earlier. We have the Benazir case, we have the Chaudhry Iftikhar case, we have my lords, there's a case on Dharna judgment, and then there is the latest one. All these cases are there, and the high courts are saying it's still not working. So there has to be something in addition to what has happened so far. This particular mechanism that we need to lay down has to have something more to it so that it's more effective. That is what, so I look at it, personally speaking for myself, I look at it as a system to be put in place, rather than talking about one incident, the other incidents, what happened when, what happened where. I'm not concerned. I know that this is, I'm just firewalling my institution against interference, be it internal, be it external. So I think this is a golden opportunity to lay down a code.
And Mr. AG,
Sir,
Mr. AG,
क्या इस पर बता सोचने वाली बात
I
है?
completely support this, sir.
Mr. AG,
And my lord, एक चीज है,
my
I
lord,
was responding to my lord.
just-
Responding, मैं आपके सुन लेता हूँ, मैं
just add
respond
one
just add one thing.
Let me just add
Jamal
one
Sahab
thing.
is,
Just,
you know,
just add,
Jamal Sahab, आप बात करें.
just add one thing. What my Lord Justice Mansoor Shah said. This is not only interference. You see, since we have taken this notice, especially two of our learned members of the bench have been targeted. This is not interference. This is a threat to the two
मैं
judges.
उसी को ही respond करना चाहता हूँ.
आप देखिए,
Shameful है,
देखिए एक
disgusting है,
सुन ले,
It has to go beyond
it's a
shameful.
crime,
Attorney
sir.
General,
It is
Attorney
shameful,
General.
not enough.
No, it's not enough. You have to respond to
Attorney
this.
General.
जी साहब बात कंप्लीट कर लो.
This is unacceptable और
जी
इसका
साहब जरा
response
सुन
होना
ले,
चाहिए.
बात कंप्लीट करने दे. देखिए, और तो छोड़े, हाई कोर्ट के जजेस को तो छोड़ दे कि उन्होंने एक शिकायत की है. शिकायत पे जो उनका असर हुआ है, हमने जो नोटिस लिया, हमारे साथ क्या हो रहा है? क्या इस तरीके से इंडिपेंडेंस हो सकती है? क्या आप मेंबर के पर्सनल इस पे जजमेंट आ चुकी है? हम एक जजमेंट और देते तो क्या होगा?
बिल्कुल.
अगर इसी तरह होना, हम 10 जजमेंट और देते हैं.
नहीं सर, ये तो जो
देखिए अटॉर्नी जनरल साहब,
I think Zara sir, let's finish reading it, then we can give our opinions later.
लेट मी जस्ट कंप्लीट. 2018 में जो malicious campaigns, but that is part of our job. We are under an oath. We have never cared about it. मैंने अपना कभी भी नहीं कहा. But when the children's and the wives
Yes.
and family members data is stolen from the government departments, the immigration and NADRA, the presumption and entire onus is on the state. You cannot just make a statement that it is shameful.
No sir, it
That
is a crime,
is-
sir.
listen.
It's a crime, sir.
People,
crime.
it is difficult in this country to speak the truth.
A crime, sir.
Those brave enough who speak the truth, there are judges we know, जिनको सिर्फ कहते हैं कि तुम्हारा बच्चा फलां जगह में पढ़ता है, and it's the state which is doing it.
You see now,
Let us be honest
Mr.
about it.
Attorney General,
Sorry, I must intervene. We can keep giving our opinions. Can we just finish seeing what the high courts who had we actually pursuant in order asked for? Let's read those, then we can discuss the matter further. आप कौन सा पढ़ रहे थे अभी आप?
can I just make one comment before we read the thing? मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि if we don't address this issue today, we're going to lose out on a lot. मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ, why is it ये फोन उधर रख दो, इस फोन को उधर रखो, फोन को उधर रख के बात करो, इधर आ जाओ, उधर बात करो, ये क्या हो रहा है? What sort of a culture are we running here? इस कमरे में नहीं बैठो, उस कमरे में बाहर निकल के बात करो, ये कोई सुन लेगा, फोन कुछ हो जाएगा. Is this a state? What kind of a state are we running? That I have to put my phone away, I cannot talk to anybody, इस कमरे में कुछ हो सकता है, उस कमरे में कुछ हो सकता है. What kind of a culture is this? So now that the case is there, let's sort these issues out.
Yeah.
I mean, what kind of culture is this that I'm scared all the time that somebody's recording me, somebody's watching me? What is this? So do we read अभी आप पढ़े ना वो 1984 George Orwell का,
Yeah.
the Big Brother is watching? What is going on? I mean, let's sort these issues out. Let's sort it out.
Everyone has become very fearful. Can I, on a lighter note, I was talking on the phone, this was not now, before, much before. Someone said, oh, your phone will be tapped. I said, I hope so they can hear what I'm saying and they reproduce it exactly.